central lockpick kit. Like a $200 lockpick.
Alright guys, so if whoever makes all 10 laps wins, and you get a ticket for the raffle. Mark. And set. Go.
Some people do
Lockpick. Up, 3 down. 4 down.
had some success.
Turning up the heat on me.
Oh, someone dropped the tool. Man down, man down.
The way that I can do is not me. But in general,
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
and so I actually, as a single figure,
When I do have the iPod, or when I do
yeah, especially if you get into streaming
Whisperer has 3 locks left to go. 5 has 6 to go. Still anyone's conquest.
I still got one more up here.
Okay. Oh, Ty's catching up.
Got it.
Oh, you got a winner.
Nice.
Yeah, but this one's not unlocked.
Is it? Oh shit. Oh no.
Oh
no.
See how that
no. I'm a cheater.
Man, I was giving up. I could have gotten 2 more locks. I would need to use the medium.
I'll give you 5 seconds.
I prefer medium with the Americans, with the 1100s.
Those are very kind 5 seconds.
Five.
Those are very generous.
They're beloved by Locksporters because of that. I also use medium with the Catmark 98s and 98 Pros. Until I get a spool, which is indicated by the false set, in which case there's no reason to use medium tension because you've got over ton counter rotation, so why be so abusive with the counter as you pull the counter rotation and you talk like that? This feels the best. And then you can go back to medium tension or that would be the best.
I had to put the same. What's going on with this one?
Oh, gotcha. So this one.
Sandman read this one.
I can
So is the last one.
High security.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Ty's catching up.
Oh.
You will, if you get the opportunity
Alright.
to that has a spool
the ashes. It's catching up.
That's how you can use some fish and take.
It'd be so funny if I caught up to you. Good job.
Turn around, babe.
Pull 4 or 5 things out.
Good job, Papa. Two people get Ty starting off with the hardest lock. Got the lock whisperer starting off with Prince. Brinks 4-pin, no security pins. And we have a Brinks 5-pin with security pins. And then we have another Brinks 4-pin with security pins, but not for milling. So all of these are yellow belt rank locks, but they are part of a spectrum of difficulty. And then when you guys pick your final lock, make sure you touch your timer. Everybody's down to their last lock. And we got a winner. Good job, Lock Whisperer. Good job. That was intense. That was intense. I thought I was going to get it with his rings. This is the drawing. We have 3 different prizes here. The first drawing is going to be for a Sandman expansion pick set, a multi-pick.
Nice.
Second drawing is going to be kind of a custom thing. I had somebody make up a 3D printed magnetic case with a hinge.
Dang.
So I put some multi-pick tools in there.
That is
So
sick.
cool.
Slips in
Yeah.
your pocket.
What the hell?
Like a fat ass, ain't it?
Alright, and the last drawing will be for the Lock New 29-piece Essential Lockpick set, which values around $200. This guy has every lockpick and tension wrench you could ever need, including 2 dimple-style picks.
Dang.
This is a really great pick set.
It's a
With
granddaddy.
a leather case. Multi-pick. That just dropped on my foot.
Good thing you have people. Big money, no win, no win.
For third place. Oh yeah, nobody's name is on it. I won't know what this is. Ticket 423014. Nice. Or what? Win a winner chicken dinner. There we go. Good job, man.
Woo.
Congrats, buddy.
Let's see. Second place. 423012. Tie.
Let's go.
Good job, buddy. I was so excited to buy this on Amazon. It was like $50. Why not? I've spent more on less. Let's go. Here we go. 423 007.
Nope.
007. Yeah.
Nice.
Let's go.
Good job.
The big daddy.
There you go.